Assalamu alaikum, my name is Mohammed Ghaznavi and I am one of the co-founder of this M&M Institute or OET trainer as well. Today I'm going to discuss about the language component of your OET exam. Why language or why language is important? First of all, as you know that this is your day-to-day scenario. You need to transform those notes in actual time frame. So as with reference to time frame, you need a right form of the tenses and sentences, and definitely to combine all those elements and integrate them and present in a presentable way, you need a tool of language that we can say is a grammar. So basically grammar is a rules and regulations. So let's start with first areas. This will be a specifically designed small video. So tenses. Why tenses is important? As some event had happened anytime in past, and like you have to reflect that event in the right time. There are multiple events that had happened in the past, so we have to differentiate which event had happened first and which event had happened afterwards. So accordingly, you need to use the right form of tense, which is continuous event, which tense need to be used, which event has finished, which tense has to be used, for example. And if you want to talk about the future perspective and it's a request, modal verbs or whatever you want to use, you just know that thing, and we are discussing all this thing in our online as well as on campus classes so that we can help you out so that you can get a mastery in your writing skills to present your letter in a presentable form. But a short thing that I would like to tell you, that try to work very hard on two forms of tense, that is perfect form either in the present or past, and in the simple form either in the present or past, because most of the time in OET writing these are the majorly used tenses. Despite we can use modal verbs, we can use the continuous events like the continuous tenses, but these are the basics of the tenses, so you should have a strong hold on those tenses. Being a teacher, while checking your writing, I have seen that this is a common mistake. Number one. Now moving on toward the sentences. Now sentences we have compound, complex, and all those sentences try to use them, a variety, okay? And then the part of speech that bring the beauty in your structure and flow, and including the article and everything. So language really help you to present your letter in a presentable form, and it will reflect the right event. To summarize, you need language. To prioritize, you need language. So that's why it's an integral criteria of OET writing. I hope somehow this video, though it's not a detail, but had helped you to give you a brief insight of the OET writing language importance. And I welcome all of you to join our academy so that you can learn more about the language. Thank you very much.